Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to our Motivation USA brief unboxing, where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's get into this one. In this video, we're gonna practice what we preach. I always tell you guys, when you first get a motorcycle, before you get out there on the road, you wanna add some protection. Make sure you protect your baby, your investment. We're gonna be throwing on Evotech Performance fork sliders and rear axle sliders on the Ducati Streetfighter V4S. The only way to shop is gonna be at Motivation USA for these premium parts. And of course, we have to give a nice mention to Evotech Performance. And I always feel like other companies should learn from each other. And I don't see a lot of people doing this. They do provide a detailed colored PDF manual for you to follow with torque specs. They're the only one doing this. I highly recommend any competitive company out there to see what other people are doing. That's great to follow in these footsteps. And it's been a tremendous help for me. I don't have to bother anyone to kind of install any one of those things. But anyway, I digress. Let's get to the install. It's fairly straightforward. It's gonna save you a ton of heartache if you were to crash your bike, dip it in the garage, or dip it in your driveway, it doesn't matter. Starting off, we're gonna throw on the single-sided swing arm rear axle sliders by Evotech. Amazing quality. I also have it on my Hypermotor 1999SP. It's on the Monster as well. So it's trusted. I'm okay with having them on there. I feel like I have a peace of mind. No issues with that brand. Now we're gonna throw on the Evotech Performance front fork sliders. The only thing I'm gonna warn you guys about, make sure you put the proper side in each fork. It will not fit if you throw on the incorrect side because the diameters are a little bit different. So make sure you put the proper end into the fork sliders. Either way, if it doesn't fit, you'll know it's incorrect. You'll have to flip it around and then put it in and tighten it down. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorship. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop motivationusa.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.